Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we are diving into a head-to-head comparison between two powerful graphics cards. The PowerColor Hellhound Spectral White AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Eagle OC. Both cards promise exceptional performance, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's find out as we explore their features, pricing, and cooling technologies. Let's start with the pricing of these two graphics cards. The PowerColor Hellhound RX 9070 XT comes in at a premium price of $839 United States dollars, while the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 Eagle OC is more budget-friendly at $609 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value for your money. When it comes to performance, the PowerColor Hellhound RX 9070 XT is designed for high-end gaming, boasting 16 GB of GDDR6 memory. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 Eagle OC, with its 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, still offers solid performance for most gaming scenarios. Both cards are equipped to handle modern games, but the RX 9070 XT may have the edge in more demanding titles. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during long gaming sessions. The PowerColor Hellhound features an effective cooling system, while the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 Eagle OC utilizes the wind force cooling technology, which is known for its efficient heat dissipation. Both systems are designed to keep temperatures low, but the choice may come down to personal preference and aesthetics. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Hellhound RX 9070 XT and the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 Eagle OC have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 9070 XT offers high-end performance at a higher price point, while the RTX 5070 provides solid performance for a more budget-conscious gamer. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.